Today, we are actually going to be sharing with you a secret APM setting for the fastest internet browsing speed, and you can make use of these APM settings to benefit for your browsing. And of course, the first step you actually want to take is to make sure you locate settings on your mobile device and click on it directly. In my case, I'll click on settings and I'm going to see a front page that actually looks like this from my device. What you want to do next is to make sure you locate SIM card and mobile network on your device and click on it directly, as in my case. I will click on SIM card and mobile network, and I'm going to locate all the various SIM cards that are actually installed or inside of my device. In my case, I have two particular SIM card inside of my device. Whatever SIM card that you actually want to use to configure this network, make sure to locate the device or the SIM card and click on it. In my case, I'm going to choose SIM 1 here in my case to configure this APN. I will click on it and I'm going to locate this area where I will navigate to the bottom of this area that says access point name and click on it directly. Once you do that, what you want to do is to locate the plus sign icon here so as to add a new APN. Click on it directly and you are going to see this edit access points as you can see it here. What you want to do next is to make sure that you are going to use these secret settings for the fastest browsing for your device. And of course, the first step you want to do is to make sure to give it a name, as in this case. Click on name and you are going to see a box that looks like this. Here inside of this box, what you want to do is to type 5G Prime Beta. And of course, I will do like this: 5G Prime Beta. 5G, make sure it is in capital letter, give it a space and type prime beginning with a big P, and prime, give it a space again and begin with a capital B as in beta. Like this: 5G Prime Beta. Take on OK to make sure that you actually save this, and you are going to move to the next, which is actually in the APN. Here in the APN, what you want to do is to click on it directly and you are going to see a box that looks like this. Inside of the APN, make sure to type 5G, as in my case I'm going to type 5G, all, that's the G in capital letter, as you can see here. Then you are going to add a particular year which you are actually in. In this case, we are actually in the year of 2023, so I will type 2023. If it was the case of 2024 or 2025 as a year, I'm going to type that particular year. But in this case, we are in the year of 2023, so I will type 5G 2023 and make sure that I save it. And once I do that, what I want to do as the next is to locate what is called the area that says the username. This area of the username, click on it, and inside of the username, make sure to type beta testing 5G, as in this case, beta testing 5G. You can see beta testing 5G. Let the G at the back of it be in capital letter and beta with a small letter. Beta testing 5G, and once that has been done, make sure to take OK and move to the next, which is actually in the MCC and MNC. In the MCC and MMC, as you can see it here, MCC and in the MNC, make sure to leave it by default for the particular mobile device that you are actually using. Do not change that particular numbers. As you can see in my device, I have MCC as MCC as 624, and in the MNC I have 01. Every phone or particular device have a particular number that it has been assigned to that device. Please do not change it for the best working process. If you want to get the fastest network, then make sure that you do not change that particular number in the MCC and MNC. The next that you want to do is to go to the area that says APN protocol and make sure that in the APN protocol, as you can see here, in this case, you can see APN protocol, select it and make sure to take IPv6, IPv4/IPv6, as in here. I will select it and that will be, you can see it here, IPv4/IPv6. Then in the APN roaming protocol, as you can see here, make sure to select it and do the same by choosing IPv4/IPv6, select it, and that will be selected. Once that has been done, make sure to come to this three icon here, click on it and save that settings, and switch it to that particular setting. Take save, and once you do that, you are going to see it here. You can see 5G beta, 5G prime beta, and once you can see it, make sure to select it by switching the position by clicking inside of this small box to select it, and the settings will be selected, and the network will actually be picked, as you can see from the up here. And of course, when you do that, you are going to have the fastest speed of connection, and of course this will give you a higher browsing speed. So make sure to use and insert these settings correctly for a better browsing speed. So thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also enable the notification bell icon so as to be the very first to receive new post notifications and updates. And see you again in our next episode. Bye bye.